Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change Google lenses to image search. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all, to change your Google lens to image search, all you need to do is simply tap on the Google search bar. So once you tap on it, you can find a camera like icon, so simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, tap on search with your camera. So once you have searched with your camera, you need to tap on the magnifying glass like icon to capture that image, and once you have captured the image, now it will turn into your Google search, which is done by scanning the image that you have captured and finding out results that are similar to the one that you have clicked before. So this is how you can change your Google lens to image search. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.